Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am in Target in the dollar spot where I'm finding all kinds of new treasures for fall decor. So you know what that means. Let's go shopping. So in my real world, it is back to school time, which means I'm spending a lot of time at Target and I have found some treasures to share with you guys. Let's jump right into these candles. They could not be any cuter. I love the labeling. They're $3 a piece. Now they do fit in the palm of your hand. They are petite. They come in two other scents, Harvest Pear Fig and Hearthside Flannel, but let's be honest, everyone is going to want the spiced pumpkin. Did not give these a smell, but I love the packaging and the amber glass. If you notice something familiar, you are not wrong. They restocked these gold cubes in my Target dollar spot. They're $5. I think this was springtime. And let's just talk about all of the sets of mini signs that they're putting out. I love this idea. You are committed to buying 5 though, so beware. So it does come in this set, which I love. It comes with a little set of mini stacked books. It also comes with a blessed sign, the blue one, and then my favorites are along the bottom. So you do get 5 signs, but you are paying $5. It also comes in this set that has the wooden beads. Could not be any cuter. With this set, you also get that really cute white wooden pumpkin, and there is a sticker on the front for you to see everything you're getting. This one is more warm tones with the Hello Fall, the little orange truck, which is so sweet. I also like that this one has an apple option if you do that for fall. Now let me show you guys a few more things that I am finding. They are putting out the bundles of bowl filler. So these pumpkins they usually put out year after year, but these I think are larger this year. I also like the color options. It also comes in the packs of pine cones for $3 a bag, and these massive tins. So these would be good for maybe entertaining, throw in a few beverage options on ice. I love the matte black option. They are $5 a piece. And then I found some floral. So their floral, again, this year is $3 a piece. They have really updated their options in my opinion. I love the colors that they're using. I also like how full they are. Now this eucalyptus is actually 2 of the $3 stems. And of course they're putting out their maple leaves as well. Now let me show you guys some of the larger signs that I am finding. These are 2-sided signs for $5. You get the 2 options. This one comes with the vertical, and on the back the pumpkins in the horizontal. They also come in this option, which is more neutral, and again 2-sided. Both of them are vertical, and also comes in this option, which is a very tall pumpkin or gourd, and the back of it is this beautiful mustard color in Hello Fall. I do love that color this season. Now one of the biggest items in this year's collection is this, and it is called a shelf. Now it is large lengthwise, not super deep, definitely meant for maybe some pumpkins and their mini signs. It does have the hangers on the back. And now the risers. So yes, they're the shape of cutting boards. There are 2 to choose from. This one in the rectangle, which I really love, for $5. This is similar to something Michaels has put out the last few fall seasons, so I was glad to see it in the dollar spot for a more affordable option. Also comes in this round, kind of like a pizza size looking cutting board. Now these are a pretty good size. They are particle board, press board with a veneer on top. Great for some decor. And one of the newest items I have come across are these houses. They're $3 a piece. I found them in 3 versions, the mustard roof, this one with a blue roof, and an orange barn. Now remember, things like this can be used through the holidays, so you may want to keep your eye open for those. I do think these are a really good size for a $3 item in the dollar spot. So just to give you an idea, these are much smaller. So this one, you do get all 3 houses for $5. The windows and doors are in gold. I'm also finding this set for $5 of the wooden houses with little tin chimneys. I think those are really cute and versatile. And I found a couple pumpkins. Woohoo! So this is pretty good size. It is a velvet emerald green pumpkin for $3. I am going to include towards the end of the video some footage of what I'm finding on the dollar spot online so you can see the other options hitting the shelves. I did pick up one of these blankets, so I'll show you guys that in the haul at the end of the video. And they're putting out more dish towels, sets of 2 towels for $5, or 1 dish towel and a pot holder for $5 as well. They do have these in the mustard with some really cute trim on them, and I'm finding some blue options. So they have it in Give Thanks with the printed pot holder, lots of blue in that print. It is very pretty. It also comes in this one, which is Autumn Leaves and Pumpkins Please, which comes with the printed dish towel as well. Some more candles. So these are $3 options as well. A few different scents and colors. Does come in the mustard, the blue, the orange, and green, which gives us an idea into their color scheme for the year. And I am finding the flight boards again. This one's a different one than the last shop with me for $5. This one is sort of a chalky finish, and they're also selling for $5 a set of 4 glasses. They are definitely putting out this whole collection for entertaining for the fall. So this one is called a little snack tray, I believe. It is a $5 item. I love the colors. I don't know how functional it is. These are really small little bowls, but maybe great for a garnish, maybe some lemon slices, or maybe even just a mixed nut tray. We're also seeing them use those colors with some of their servingware, their glasses. So I believe these are all acrylic, although these did feel a little more heavy. They come in the green and the beautiful amber for $3. They also have this shape and size, more of like a martini glass in the amber and the green. It also comes in a clear, and then this one that reminds me of maybe a water goblet. Again, 2 for $3. And if you're serving drinks, you might want to have a bar mat. So they do have these, which are pretty good size. Now these are long. They are $5 a piece, so a little bit steep. Very Lego looking to me. And then they have all of the tools you could want. Now these are beautiful. I love the wood in them. Very nice, high quality. I cannot remember if they were $1 or $3. Help me out down below in the comments if you saw these and you remember. And they brought back the copper mugs. Now they did this last year, but I think they were a 2-pack. This year they are singular for $5 a piece. They also have the shaker for $5 in the silver. And I'm finding some glassware. So I found this really pretty vase. I thought it was going to be $5. I was pleasantly surprised that it was only $3. I love things like this that can be used any time of year. They're also putting out these sets of bottles that I think are very pretty. Dollar Tree has something similar. These are in gold, so you get a 2-pack for $3. The same deal with these jars with the ribbing on them and the gold lids. And now for a couple DIY items before we head home and I show you my haul. So these are all wooden items that are priced at $3 a piece. They are DIY signs. I guess you could change them up with your color scheme. Not a bad size for these. And I was surprised to see the truck in this one. I think people might be a little bit over the truck. I don't know. Tell me how you feel about it down below in the comments. Now they also have this as an option that I really like. They are wooden signs for $3. And on one side they are a chalkboard finish. The other side is a wood finish. So it gives you 2 options and lots of stencils to work with for $3. They're also putting out these candles, which the packaging could not be any nicer. I think they're beautiful. They do come in 3 cents and they're $3 a piece. And for $1, they have these mini pots. You can plant your own pumpkins. And then they have these larger ones, which are perfect, full of fall herbs. And these are $3 a piece. It's turkey time. I love that one. You can start growing your herbs now for your turkey. They also have a few DIY bisque items. They have the owl, the pumpkin, and a really cute little, I think it's a raccoon, but my daughter said it's a fox. I'm also finding some yarn covered pumpkins for just $1 a piece. Petite, they fit in the palm of your hand, but you may want to check out the Target website. I did notice that they have a lot of pumpkin options available. Just go to target.com and you should be able to find them under the Bullseye's Playground. Son,
Yo.
what do you think about going to Target with your mother?
And my legs hurt.
Now you guys are always asking, what did you buy? So today I'm going to show you, I have a little haul for you. So we're back home. I want to show you guys what I picked up from the Target dollar spot. I did end up getting two. I got one round and one of the rectangle of these little things. I guess they're called wood risers. Definitely a particle board, not real wood. I think that's just a veneer, but I like this shape and I also like the round, so I got one of each. I ended up getting, I think, one of this large glass canister. I already took the price tag off. This one was $5. I got two sets of the small black jars. There's actually four in a grouping, but I already have one in my bathroom in use. And then I got two of these. And this is also $5 for the two medium jars. And I already have a pair in use in my bathroom. I also picked up one of the mustard colored shawls. Let me open this up and show you guys how big it is. So I will say it is very sheer. It's kind of a large rectangle. I think this would be a great like table shawl for a tablescape. And I wanted to show you real quick how I'm using my jars. I put my flossers in the smaller jar and then my cotton rounds in one of the medium, and then I use the other one for my Q-tips. I also ended up picking up one of the sets of the mini signs. So I like this one the best. I just think this is really cute. It's like a little stack of books. Great little riser on itself. And then it has a little house with the word blessed, a little bit of jute cord and some beads, a little sign in blue. And then this one was my favorite. I think it is so cute. It's just a small one, great for tiered trays. And then another cute little sign. This one does have a hanger. You could add it to a wreath if you wanted. And then I picked up some of the bundles of pumpkins. So normally I think they're smaller than this. So I was happy to see how big these were. $3 per bundle. And it's just called bowl filler. So I was really happy with that color. And then I picked up one little pumpkin. My store has been getting them, but they're flying off of the shelves. I did find this guy and I really like the color of it. This is one of their $1 pumpkins. I like that it wasn't fabric, so I think I might paint the stem on that. And then for risers, I got a set of the black round risers for $5. I am looking forward to using those. And then I also got the wood, one set. I got two of these. I already have one in my kitchen cupboard. I'll share that with you guys soon when we do the kitchen. So I'm using these as spice racks and they fit perfectly in my narrow cupboards. And that is everything I got. I hope you enjoyed this trip to Target and the haul. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.